everyone, guess what? We're going to see a small Christmas tree. A small Christmas tree with the lights on. And when I mean small, I mean small. And we've got the adventure crew, we've got Casper, and we've pimped up his pram. So yeah, we're gonna go and see this Christmas tree. Look at his pram, look at the tinsels, look. There he is, look. He's so interested he decided to fall asleep.
To light up the Christmas tree, I wonder if any of you know when Whitleys was first brought to England. It was brought to England by Prince Albert, the husband of Queen Victoria, with joy for his children.
Casper is going to have their lights on. Are you ready?
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Community spirit. Look at that, eh? A bit of community spirit. Lovely. So, that was the light switch on. It's not bad really. Well, I don't think so anyway. But we're going to walk past this tree in a minute. And it looks so good. It looks brilliant. But I'll see you later. Take a look at that for a Christmas tree. I like that. I really want one. Doesn't it look good? Hey Casper, what do you think of all of this? Nothing? Okay then. Alright then. Right. Right, I think that's it guys and girls. That is the Christmas light switch on in my local area. So we'll see you later. Bye bye.